We're off to Troopers Hill today, so I'm going to be walking past St Anne's Wood and Neatham Park, and then I'm going to be walking through another cemetery and then heading over to Troopers Hill. We made it down to the River Avon on our way to Troopers Hill. Just going to go through the woodland path up to Troopers Hill, but we're here. It's really nice in here, and excuse the hair, it's hat hair, but definitely got the woodland path. What I'll do is I'll drop the pin at the start of the woodland path. Apparently there's two hills, so we're going to go to Troopers Hill and then I may come back and do Lamb Hill. I got my videos, I don't just get to the top of the hill and then carry on. If I see something interesting like this is awesome. Whoever created this has put some serious effort into that. Obviously I don't think it's watertight, but I'm sure whoever made it had a lot of fun doing it. As we've trooped up Troopers Hill, and as I said, there's something really cool at the top which we're going to have a look at in a second. We must be around here somewhere. And I think we've come somewhere around here and up. Hello. Literally 2 seconds from the chimney, guys, and so we're just going to go over to Troopers Hill chimney. They're said to fill the coarse sandstone that's used to build it. Yeah, really feel it. But yeah, it's awesome. Time to head back down. Very enjoyable walk, only an hour away from my house, but I'll definitely be back here. I do feel, you know, that there are paths, but it would make the walk very short, so if you can get away with not bringing, you know, a buggy or something like that, the woodland looks amazing to explore, which I'm going to do now. We're now off to explore Crew's Hole, if I can find it. These signs, they keep changing their mind. So it says the field here, and then on this side it says the hill. So unless it's up here, maybe it might be Lamb Hill. So guys, I was getting well confused to what Lamb Hill was, thinking it was an actual hill, but it's actually a road. So I'm just going to head home now. It's been quite nice to go up Troopers Hill. Hi guys, so that brings us to the end of Troopers Hill. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.